So in this video we will be doing bond valuation practice questions. Question number 1. A 10-year bond with 12.5% coupon rate and 1000 face value. YTM is 14.5%. Assuming an annual coupon payment, calculate the price of the bond. So in this we are supposed to calculate the bond price. The bond valuation formula is so we will plug in the values over here. A 10-year bond, so N is 10, 12.5% coupon rate. Face value is 1000. So the coupon payment will be 12.5% multiplied by 1000. 125 is the coupon payment and the YTMR is 14.5%. $125 is the coupon payment. 1 minus the R is 14%, so 0.145. N is 10. The M means maturity value, par value, face value. So this is 1000. So if you solve this, the answer is coming 897.68. The bond value, the bond price is less than 1000. This means this is a discount bond. Moving ahead to the next question. So in this question the values are the same. The difference is that over here we have semi-annual coupon payment. So whenever your question says semi-annual coupon payment or some other compounding interval, we're supposed to do two steps. Number one is divide your rate by the compounding interval, which is 2 in this case, because this is semi-annual. And the second thing is that you need to multiply your n by the compounding interval, but make sure you remember that there are two interest rates over here, not one. So you need to divide both the interest rates by 2. We are dividing it by 2 because it says semi-annual coupon. It means the interest payment will be 2 times in a year. So first we will divide the coupon rate. 12.5% divided by 2, this will become 6.25%. So this is the new coupon rate that will be used. And we're supposed to divide the YTM as well. So divide this by 2, this will become 7.25%. This is the new YTM that will be used in the question. N over here is 10, so 10 years, and in 1 year 2 payments. That means in total there will be 20 interest payment. This is your new N. So we will use the same formula, but now we will use these values. So the bond valuation formula is this. Do not confuse this M with this M. This M is representing the compounding periods and this one is representing the maturity value, par value, face value. The coupon payment was, now the new coupon payment will be based on this. So 6.25% multiplied by 1000, that is 62.5. The new interest rate is 7.2%. Power will be 20 minus 20, sorry. So now the bond price is coming 896.087. This is the bond price with semi-annual coupon payments. Moving ahead to the next question. A 5-year bond has an 8% coupon rate. So the coupon rate is 8%. Face value is 1000. If the current price of the bond is 1075, so you have the market price as well, it is 1075. Calculate the current yield assuming annual interest payment. So the formula for current yield is coupon payment divided by market price. Current yield, so you need the coupon payment. Coupon payment will come as coupon rate multiplied by face value. So the coupon rate is 8% and the face value is 1000. So the coupon payment is 80 and you have the market price with you 1075. The current yield will be 7.44%. Again, multiply your answer by 100 to convert it into percentage. Do not forget to do this step. So moving ahead to the next question. Halle Enterprises bonds currently sell for 975. They have a 7-year maturity, an annual coupon of 90 and a par value of 1000. What is their yield to maturity? So you're supposed to calculate the YTM over here. Bond valuation formula will be used for this. The coupon payment over here is 70. So it's 90. So the coupon payment is 90. We are supposed to calculate the R. N over here is 7. The maturity value, par value is 1000. Again, we do not know what the R is. And the N is 7. The bond value is 975. So you're supposed to plug in different rate and see where does your answer come close enough to 975. You can eliminate some of the options because again this is a discount bond, so the bond price is less than 1000. Because the bond price is less, that means the YTM will be more than the coupon rate. The coupon rate 90 means 9%. So your coupon rate will be greater than 9%. So it can't be 9%, it can't be 7.25%. Either it is 9.51% or either it is 13%. Okay, the inverse relationship is very important. So we're going to use the first interest rate of 9.51%. So we plugged in the value of 9.51% and once you will calculate this, your answer is coming 974.76. So that is very close to 975. The interest rate of 13% will most probably not give you such a close answer. So the correct answer is 9.51%. This is the yield to maturity. This is the total return. So if the investor purchases the bond and holds it till maturity, he will get a total return of 9.51%. So I'm not doing this question. Now moving to a zero coupon bond question. So suppose you want to offer zero coupon bond. Again, you need to understand what is a zero coupon bond. Over here you will have no interest payments at all. So you will purchase the bond currently at a discounted price, and let's say 20 years later you will get back the par value back. So there is no coupon payment over here. The coupon rate is 0. So face value is 1000. It's maturing in 20 years. The YTM on the bond is 8%. What will be the price of the bond offered by your company? The formula is still the same. Bond valuation formula is still the same. But now you do not have any coupon payment. The coupon payment over here is 0. So this is multiplying by this. That means this whole thing will become 0, and your bond valuation formula will reduce to just this. So if you plug in the values, the maturity value is 1000. The YTM is 8% and N is 20. The answer is coming to 114.5. So the bond price is 214.5 over here. That means because this is a zero coupon bond, at time 0 right now you can purchase the bond for this much rupees, and 20 years later you will get 1000 rupees back. In the middle you will get no payments because it is a zero coupon bond. These bonds always trade at discount. Moving ahead to the last question. So a bond has a 1000 par value, 10 years to maturity, and a 7% annual coupon, and sells for 985. What is its YTM? So the first part we're supposed to calculate the yield to maturity. We're going to use the bond valuation formula. The coupon payment over here will be 70 because 7% is the coupon rate. The N over here is 10. Maturity value is 1000. The bond value is 985. So we have plugged in all the values in the bond valuation formula. Now over here again you will have to plug in different interest rates. We can eliminate some of the interest rates by looking at the bond price. Again, this is a discount bond. The bond price is less. That means because of the inverse relationship, the R will be more than 7%. So the R cannot be 7%, it cannot be less than 7%. Either your answer is 7.216% or 13.25%. So if we use the first interest rate, 7.216%. and we solve this equation, we get an answer of 984.97. So this is very close to 985. So A, 7.2161% is the correct answer. Now in part B it says assume that the YTM remains constant for the next 3 years. What will be the price of the bond 3 years from today? So we're supposed to keep the same yield to maturity, and we're supposed to calculate the price 3 years from today. So the total maturity of the bond is 10 years. And if we purchase a bond right now, the N will be 10. But if we purchase the bond 3 years from now, so we are purchasing the bond over here. 3 years from now, these 3 years are gone. We will get the next interest payment. So the maturity now will be 7 years. N in the formula represents the remaining life of the bond. So if you purchase the bond right now, the maturity will be 10 years. But if you purchase the bond 3 years from now, the maturity of the bond will be 7 years. Likewise, if you purchase the bond, let's say 9 years from now, then the bond will end in just 1 year's time. In that case, the maturity will be 1 year only. So over here you can use the same formula, but you will have to change the n. So instead of taking an n of 10, you will take an n of 7. You will change n over here as well. This is your YTM, so it will stay the same in the formula, and you can calculate the bond price now. So if we solve this now, the answer is coming 988.44. So this is the bond price 3 years from now. The current bond price is 985 and the bond price 3 years from now is 988.44.